So first, keep in mind that Amazon Household is changing the name to the Amazon Family, but all the Prime sharing benefits are still there, just with a new look and a new name. And here on the Amazon homepage, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then click right here on the account and list, which will open up on this page, and then you want to click on your Amazon Family. And keep in mind, this is what the account holder of the Amazon Prime membership have to do, or the account that bought the Amazon Prime membership. So right here on the members, on your Amazon Family, as you can see, you can share your benefits of the Amazon Prime with one other adult or up to 4 children. And all you have to do as the account holder is come in here and then click right here on the plus icon to add a new member. And you can choose if it's a child or adult. The adult is 18 years old or older, and then the child is 12 and under. And as for the teen, from 13 years old up until 17 years old, unfortunately, Amazon doesn't accept that anymore. And for example, I'm gonna add the adult, so just click on add adult. And then here you can choose to link with the separate Amazon account or just create a new profile in your own account. I do recommend just to create their own account so you don't have to share password and the order history, searching history, and so on, because both are fully separated. And it's good when you cannot see each other's order or anything like that, but you can still share all the Prime benefits. So just click on the link, and then you can just type in their name and their email and click on continue, which then the new member will check on their email and then accept the invitation. But keep in mind that you and the other adult must live at the same primary residential address to share the benefits like free shipping. But this doesn't mean you cannot have different shipping addresses, because the primary account holder can still ship items to a different address. But the sharing of the benefits requires both accounts to be linked to the same home address. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to share Amazon Prime membership with family or friends. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.